while since I started filming just because I was so focused on my graduation, a lot of things for my seniors year. Today is a video of my hiking trip, so come to my hiking trip with me. Bye. Hi, so fit check, my long sleeve, then my sweatpants. It's a basic hiking fit. Okay guys, I'm literally just gonna self-dry myself. I didn't swim fully, but I did swim like half to my body here, and that's really it, because like I don't want to get myself too much wet because I don't have extra clothes. It was kind of like late second, so yeah. My brother enjoyed it more than me, but this is the view of where we're swimming at. Audio was very bad here. I was just saying we're just finished swimming, so we're just gonna go to a lake and explore. Pass Eller, but I just want to say bye, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.